Guys, my name is Akash, and today I'm going to show you how to install WordPress on Apache. If you haven't watched my last video, do go ahead and check that out because I do show how to install Apache. So yeah, let's get started. So now that we're on the desktop, I'm going to show you guys how to install WordPress on Apache. So let's get started with that. So let's mosey on over to Raspberry Pi Foundation, how to build a LAMP web server with WordPress. I do recommend this tutorial as it shows you how to build LAMP, Linux, Apache, MySQL, and PHP stack. It says on a Raspberry Pi, but really it works on any Debian or Ubuntu based distro. So this is what we're going to be following to make our WordPress website. So we already did this part, which is setting up a Apache web server in the last video. So we don't have to do this anymore. We're going to CD. We're going to actually, forgot to tell you, we need to SSH into our server. So we're going to SSH and log in. Okay. So once you're logged in, we're going to CD into var-www-html. And we have our index.html. And it says that we here in the tutorial, we can leave all these things alone. Now we're going to install PHP. And we're going to install PHP because WordPress uses PHP and we need PHP for that reason. So let's go ahead and install it. Alright, now PHP has been installed. Now let's install MySQL. So we're going to install MariaDB and we're going to use PHP MySQL as well. So let's install that as well. And let it do its thing. Alright, now MySQL and all of that has been installed. Now let's head on and remove all the files in this directory. So sudo rm, everything in this directory, and we should have nothing there. Now we're going to wget WordPress's latest. So we're going to press enter and let it do its thing. Now that it's downloaded, we need to we have to tar this. So we're going to run sudo tar xzf. And we're going to do that to latest tar.gz. And now if we look at our files, we should have two files, WordPress and latest.tar.gz. We're going to move everything that's in the WordPress directory into this current directory. So let's enter that command. And now if we look, we can see that, all of WordPress's files are right here, which is what we want. But now we don't need the directory WordPress, and we don't need this anymore. So let's go on ahead and delete that. Let's just copy this command, copy and paste. And now if we look, we can see that we removed those two files, that file and the directory. So Now we just have all this, which is what we want. Now we're going to give this directory permissions to the Apache user. So we're going to do that by entering this command. And now the Apache user should have permissions to this directory. Next, we're going to run sudo mysql secure installation. Enter current root password. So let's see what the Raspberry Pi tutorial says. So we're gonna press enter. So apparently the tutorial on the Raspberry Pi website does not have this. I'm just gonna answer no, as it says right here. You can safely answer no, so let's answer no. No, let's not change the password. Remove anonymous users, yes you do. Do you want to disallow root logging remotely? Yes you do. Do you want to remove test database and access to it? Yeah you do. Reload privilege tables now? Yes you do. And all done. So now we're going to do sudo mysql root -p, and you're going to enter your root password. And once you entered your root password, you should be able to get in. But if you didn't set up a root password before, then you wouldn't be able to do this, because the options that I said would have probably not worked. It would have given you different options there. So now we're going to run create database WordPress. And it's done that. And then we'll paste this very long command in. Okay, done. And flush privileges. Why did they name it flush? It's like toilets flushing. Toilets flushing. Whatever. Continue. Now we're gonna do a control. What are we doing? Control D. We're gonna do a control D to get out of MariaDB. And now we're going to reboot the machine to make sure all of our changes are saved. And so do a sudo reboot, let it do its thing. This may take a minute and a half. We can just ping the IP to see when it comes up. And it's up. You can see that it's actually up now. So we'll SSH back into it. And now that we're back in, we can now head on over to our browser. So let's do that. So now if we go to the IP, reload, we should get the WordPress default website, which is amazing. So select your language. English is mine. Let's go. Database name, WordPress, username. Your database username, root, password. Enter your password. Oh, forgot. Let's go back a moment. Because I made a mistake there. So let's do this command again. Sorry. Actually, that's not what we want. That's not the command we want. We want to do this. Sudo mysql root p. Right. Run this command. Oh, right. I set it to this by accident because I didn't pay attention. There. We have to change the password. Right. So I'm just going to rerun this command because I made a mistake. And let's just set it to like something simple. Hello world. Okay, so now if we do Control D and we try to log in again, and if we enter the password, it should work. Wait. There we go. And we're back in, which is good. And I'm just going to do sudo reboot again because I made changes to the database and I just want to make sure those are made properly. And let's SSH back in. Alright, we're in and back in, and we're going to head back on over to the WordPress configuration because I did it wrong. Select language, continue, let's go. WordPress, username, root, that's what I set it to. And now password, enter your password, set, localhost. Yeah, our database name is localhost, and we can just leave that at that. And we'll run the installation. Okay, now we'll give the site a name. Crazy Frog. No? Okay, I'm not sure what to name it. TechWiz. Okay, let's just call it Akash's website, for example. Username, Joe. Okay, that works. And let's copy our password. Copy, and I'm just going to save this in a document. So I'm just going to go into text edit, and I'm just going to paste it in there and save this as WordPress password so I don't forget. Alright, now let's go back. Email. Enter your email. And install WordPress. Never. And log in. So now enter your username. Mine is Joe. And let's enter our password and log in. And now we'll be greeted with the WordPress regular page. Now if we go to the regular IP of, we should see Akash's website, hello world. You should see this. This is very nice and it looks beautiful. But we want to change things up. So let's go to our pages. Sample page. Is this what's showing here? No. So let's change that. That's not in pages. That is under posts. So let's change the hello world post. Hello humans of hello humans. Okay, I'm gonna change this to hello humans Hello, fellow humans. I hope that you like and subscribe to this video. Oh, they're wrong. Hope you like this video and press the subscribe button. And let us change this font. I don't like this font. Let's change it. Yeah. Change font. You want to change font. Where's the font changing? Font. I want to change the font. I'm not sure if we can change the font. Block post. Settings. Oh. So you're not allowed, you can't change the font in posts, apparently. I don't think you can change the font in a post. But you can change that on pages. So let's just update. And now if we go back to our website, reload, we'll see hello humans. Hope that you liked this video. Oh, we forgot. And press the subscribe button. Let's update that. Hello, fellow humans. Like and press. Oh, video. And that's where we want the and, not there. Not in the wrong place. Hello, fellow humans. Hope that you liked the video and press the subscribe button. Oh, let's bold this. That's a good idea. Let's bold hello. And let's update that. So, we have WordPress installed, and now I'll leave it to you to experiment with this. You can always change settings, but if you want to get to this dashboard, always remember that you have to go to WP Admin. Because if you don't go to WP Admin, you'll be just greeted with, if I show you on a guest user, 192.168.127.7, you will be only greeted with this, and this is not what you want, right? If you want to edit your site, remember that you have to go to /WP Admin. And if you go to WP Admin, you can log in with your username and password. So that's what you do. And if you want to go to pages, go to pages. And there's lots of other things. Like if you want to change the theme, you can change it to something different. Like I changed the theme right now. And now it's changed. Hello humans. And it's changed to this, which also looks really nice. So thanks for watching the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Bye.